Have you ever stopped and asked yourself, I'm taking care of my body, but how am I really doing inside my mind? Because here's the truth, mental wellness isn't something we talk about enough, yet it quietly shapes every single part of our lives. The way you feel, the way you react to stress, relationships, success, failure, all of it starts in your mind. And today, I want to have a real, honest conversation with you about mental wellness, what it truly means and why it matters more than you might realize. Mental wellness is not just about being happy all the time. That's one of the biggest myths out there. Nobody feels happy every day, and that's completely normal. Mental wellness is about balance. It's about understanding your emotions instead of fighting them. It's about knowing how to cope when life feels heavy, and how to enjoy the good moments without guilt. Just like physical fitness, mental wellness is a journey, not a destination. You don't wake up one day and say, that's it, my mind is perfectly healthy forever. It's something you practice daily, with patience and compassion. Think about how much pressure we carry every day. Deadlines, responsibilities, family expectations, financial worries, social media comparisons, and the constant need to keep going. We often ignore the signs our mind gives us. Feeling exhausted even after resting. Losing interest in things you once enjoyed. Feeling overwhelmed by small tasks. Being irritable, anxious, or disconnected. These aren't weaknesses. These are signals. Your mind asking for care. Just like your body asks for care when you're tired or injured. Mental wellness means giving yourself permission to slow down when you need to. It means recognizing that rest is productive, and asking for help is not failure. So many of us were taught to stay strong, stay silent, and push through everything. But true strength is awareness. True strength is saying, I'm not okay right now, and that's okay. When you take care of your mental health, you don't just survive, you start to live with clarity and confidence. Your thoughts play a powerful role in your mental wellness. The way you talk to yourself matters more than you think. If your inner voice is constantly critical, negative, or harsh, it slowly drains your energy and self-worth. Mental wellness involves learning to challenge those thoughts and replace them with kinder, more realistic ones. Not fake positivity, but honesty mixed with compassion. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough, learning to say, I'm doing the best I can, and that's enough for today. Another important part of mental wellness is emotional awareness. Many of us were never taught how to identify our emotions. We just know we feel bad or stressed. But when you name what you're feeling, sadness, frustration, fear, loneliness, it becomes easier to manage. Emotions don't disappear when you ignore them. They grow louder. Mental wellness is about listening to those emotions without letting them control you. Let's also talk about connection. Humans are not meant to go through life alone. Strong relationships, meaningful conversations, and feeling understood all contribute to mental well-being. Even one person who listens to you without judgment can make a huge difference. Mental wellness thrives in environments where you feel safe to be yourself, where you don't have to pretend you're okay when you're not. You deserve peace, clarity, and emotional strength just as much as you deserve physical health. So as we continue this journey together on this channel, remember this: taking care of your mind is not optional, it's essential. And the fact that you're here, listening, learning, and showing up for yourself is already a powerful step forward.